Just say that's my Syrian grandmother. This is my Syrian grandmother. Great grandmother.
You do that.
This is where I got the pretty hair from. And their husband, but he's not here right now. What is their name?
Crop.
Where are you from?
The parish of Trelawny.
A little history behind you came to Kingston.
Before we came from.
Yeah, just tell them a story. You say you come from Trelawny, but just add on and how you came into Kingston.
So you came to Kingston?
Well, I come on my own.
Hold on, say it again. You have to talk a bit more. Speak a bit louder for the vehicle.
Louder.
Come on my own.
Now tell them, say you left Trelawny, came to Kingston. You have to say, because they don't know what you mean by that you came on your own.
Like, me not come with nobody. Me one alone come.
So say it again.
From what age?
So hold on, you came to Kingston. I left Trelawny and came to Kingston.
I leave Trelawny and came to Kingston. Me alone.
Me alone.
I come at the age of 15.
What kind of food do you love to eat?
What kind of food we love to eat?
Yes.
Yam and pork.
What kind of food do you love to eat?
Yam and pork.
What is your favorite thing about Jamaica?
My favorite thing about Jamaica? Well, only the crime I don't like, but everything else is alright.
You love everything else? Oh, cool. Which part? Oh. One Jamaican dish you enjoy. One Jamaican dish that you enjoy.
Fish.
What else?
And soup.
You have any siblings? Any brothers and sisters?
Yeah.
Oh, you want something?
Listen, I can do what? How much will you say?
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We have not but some dead.
How many?
Well, in all, I have 7 brothers. 8 brothers and two daughters, 2 sisters of us. But now, me only having 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Where did your family originated from?
My father is from Trelawny, my mother is from Manchester.
Is your family mixed?
Yes.
Racial?
My father is a Syrian, and my mother is a half Maroon.
And half?
My mother mixed with Chinese, you know. Our father is a half Chinese, but our mother is Maroon.
Who is your favorite reggae artist?
Reggae artist?
Yeah, any reggae artist you like? Who you like?
Beenie Man.
Beenie Man, okay.
A dancer artist.
A dancer artist?
Yeah.
Anything.
Yes. Anything, not really matter.
No, more than something, no.
How many children do you have?
I have 10 children.
How many died?
2 sons died, leaving me with 7 daughters and 1 son.
Okay then. What is today's date?
Today's date is the 29th of January 2012. Today's date is January 29, 20 and 12. No, 20 and 12. Oh, that's like a mistake, isn't it?
Have you ever left Jamaica before?
No.
Have you ever been to the US?
No.
Have you ever been to Canada?
No.
Have you ever been to UK?
None of them.
Is there anything you would like to add, like to Jamaica?
Like what?
Anything on your mind?
Anything on your mind you add to the country?
No, nothing to add.
What do you like most about Jamaican culture?
The dance and the food.
All the food. Cost of living gone up. My sister P win.
What kind of language do you speak?
English patois, anyone come.
Say a few stuff in patwa.
Come back here. How you go? Pick me in here.
Try speaking. Try speak try speaking straight English right now.
Come here. Where are you going? You know what? Not English. I mean, I don't know what to say.
Can you like do a act like try speaking with an accent like you're from abroad?
Yeah.
Try do it.
Well, you know, I like I come back to. I went away and I come back to Jamaica. I like the country. It's very cool, you know. Nobody noticed.
So, where did the rest of your teeth went?
The dentist take them.
Okay.
And the other, the pawns, one now is inside.
Okay.
What kind of movies you like?
African movie.
Why you like African movies?
For some of the things in the garden happening in the country same way. Oh yeah.
Would you like to visit Africa?
No, sir.
Why?
No, I'm not going to, sir.
Why? Why?
Haiti?
He doesn't know. No. Haiti people are wicked.
Why are you sure?
There's somebody from Haiti.
One thing I like with the African people, I like how the woman them dress, you know? I like them.
They look class.
Color.
How them talk?
Yeah.
Me how them talk. They're like, you hear me, yo? Do you hear me? Hear me, yo?
Some of them show, you know. When them, I mean, just like I have my Jamaica, you know? With this man there with that one, you know what I mean? And people say, obvious sugar, too much obvious sugar.
Most of them. Me don't like it. Because like you see the thing coming on the tree, you see the object thing coming on the tree like them spirit. It's like you get frightened. I said, no man. But true, man, I believe now.
And you have one of them, when you went where?
Oh, you have what name of the twin, look up two boy them?
KK and Kuku.
KK, Tico and KK. Tico.
And you have one where this man, every girl him take, him buy a big house to get them.
The snake man. The snake man.
And him a snake man, he has snake and him go up bed with them. After that you see them a day.
When them have baby, a snake and a baby. Snake come
yes. Them now have no baby though, them a dead.
When them a dead after.
So big and a sword and them body cover over. And then the big house.
All the African movie I watch is the one
the last one when they do is when him check it out on his daughter. And he never know.
When them mother give them the 10 pills, the mother give them 10 pills to take one time, you know. One time. And them never want to get that full tape. It's when them take the 10 pills. Every second them run at the bathroom. She kill them off.
Wicked.
But them
you never take your last in them days.
You have one in him. You have one in a name, Reggae Boy. Reggae Boy. Reggae Boy. The African show. Them full of girls, you know. When them two of them breed get one girl pregnant. Two of the little twin boys
and then
one girl pregnant. But them are young enough. They're about 30 something right now, but them short. Short. They're about 30 something right now.
They get trouble. One of them all rough in on my Bible, so my preach on this morning.
No more than two of them, I'm saying, them get one girl pregnant. And like them of course I say, oh me get her pregnant and my girl. And then two of them.
They make you laugh, man.
But one remind me of Peachy Sir, Magic. Kind of look like it.
All the two sisters. Gloria, Esther, Wicked. Esther Paisley Orange and she's
but there's
for the husband and what she has.
There's one African song I like. Life so unfair.
That is Beyonce.
So ungiven.
Beyonce.
All these days. Beyonce and Ciara. And Raj. You see, these African people here. I do like it. Well, one place I love to go to is China. That's my dream place.
Why?
Because I love Chinese people so much.
I'll work with them.
I love them. I work with them too. I work with them once out there in the shop. I love Chinese people. All of them can't really understand them. Love them. Them food. But their other food that they eat, I love to tea.
But when they drink soup,
I see them eat scorpion.
When they dry, they boil it. They cut up onion in there. They boil the egg and put in there.
Oh, the China lady, Chinese people that I work with, that I was working with, the China lady, she boils soup, like in her plate. She has noodle soup. She has noodle soup with lettuce in it, boiled egg in noodle soup, tomato, pepper, onion. Onion no, they let it on side.
They not boil it in it, you know, when the soup done, when they cut it up.
And chicken, ham, how can I stuff in it? And some like pimento seed and what do you call it? Skin and thyme. I'm like, what this? Who would eat them someday?
My friend who's Chinese had rice, instead of noodles, just rice with everything in it.
Yeah,
they call it chook.
That was it too. Right.
It tastes good.
Like,
it tastes good.
One day she was like, you want to cook some games? I know me good. I don't want to eat it and make up for me stuff. I'll eat like fried rice, chop suey, veggie chunks. They have they don't have this kind of soup, man. I forgot when name. Teach me.
And the sweet and sour chicken.
It's not broth. Broth. Okay.
The sweet and sour chicken nice.
One ton.
I forgot the name.
One ton soup.
I think something like that. One soup. Because 2 pieces work by China restaurant. Like one Chinese food order she bring it to. But the soup, when people like about food and soup, I don't know, if I love pepper. Once I love pepper, you food, but if I love pepper, I'm serve you. Like
hot.
Full of pepper. We have one of your one more. Our food and our soup then. Cause when she bring it, I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink that one. I'm give mommy start drinking that mommy don't want. Full of pepper. Alright now, mommy. She make she talk. She do one on me. Oh, you cook after stuff. Wait. How do you look about Jamaican dish, ackee and saltfish?
Well, you clean up the ackee, and you put the water on the stove to boil. When the water boiling, you wash the ackee, put it in and then in the pot. And then some people boil the fish with it, but you can boil the fish separate. And then after the ackee cook, you take it off, you clean up the saltfish, wash it, and you put your frying pan on the fire, you put a little oil, you add in your seasoning and things, and then you put in the fish, and then the ackee, and your black pepper and thing, and stir it up, and that's it.
So you look about rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Well, you wash your peas and put it to soak.
Is it very simple?
Yeah. And when it's peas cook, you put in your coconut milk, you add your seasoning like pepper, scallion, and thyme, and like a salt, and when it's well cooked down, you wash your rice and you put in, and you have it on a low fire till it cook right down. That's it.
Would you want to be a chef?
Maybe do it, but I take time.
Not that good of a chef.
Eh? Yes, I will do cooking, but not again.
You have to move fast.
We can't stand up to it again.
But you're an elderly, so you
can't stand up to it again.
You ever go back to Trelawny?
I love cooking. Yeah, man.
Will you live back?
We're going there sometime this new month here too.
If you were supposed to, if you had a chance to live back in Trelawny, would you?
Yes, but leave on what occasion would I live there?
Suppose like they left the house for you. What would you do with it?
Well, we'll rent out part of it and leave a room also that when we're ready to go, we have, where to stay. If we don't have no intention to live there.
If you go to abroad, will you live abroad?
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No, we like home. No, we go and come. Now when they call up, let me not stay.
You don't want to go New Year?
Oh yeah, go there.
Where she going?
You don't want to go New Year?
She going this year.
Oh, you going New Year?
She's going to May. I don't know. She's supposed to go from last year. She's going this year.
I don't know this year.
All the dogs are taking her. And she's going to live there.
Me not live there.
She said she's going to stay. And all the daughters said when she come up there, she will just turn her into a young person.
Oh, she will turn me
She'll just
into a
ear.
young
She'll
somebody.
just
Oh, she will turn me into a young somebody.
Mix it now like a color.
She can't do nothing to me. If I don't like it, she can't do it.
Make she get some massage.
Pampered.
Get her some new clothes. She look like them.
I know every clothes me wearing.
And dentist.
Yeah, dentist and everything.
You don't want a dentist.
Get
I have
some-
a teeth already.
Get some nice, pretty white.
At 33,000 for my pair of teeth.
But her teeth is just get out of my
I
teeth.
have my teeth inside in a jail.
Just get out of my mouth.
Now my teeth.
No, Shana, no. No, in her mouth. Where James run.
Remember,
Yeah, my teeth. Yeah, me teeth. Yeah, me cup with some baking soda.
I check where they corner here, so.
Yeah, me teeth, but
Here's
let
like
me tell you.
one.
Take out teeth and put in teeth, don't want to put in. Because when you put in the teeth, they are the mistake of the teeth.
So the teeth and put the thing and show them say have teeth. Show them say have teeth.
When it scare them, oh God.
No.
Put in the teeth.
Do I know?
I show them say have teeth.
No,
Show them.
son.
Put in the teeth,
No
mommy.
teeth.
They don't want to show this into the say have teeth.
You could have eat something. It's scare me the five. The fun is scare me. But think that I can transform you. I can transform you.
You have teeth?
I like it.
Ah!
Sometimes it feels better. You can't just wear it every day, so.
Why?
Sometimes you feel uncomfortable. You know them wear it?
Yeah.
Oh, she been doing she not fast teeth.
No.
Eh?
I'm not have fun.
No, but all she been doing she not fast
Watch it, even glasses, you know,
No,
the
yeah.
glasses. Sometimes coming like you want, take it off and put away.
Yeah, that's familiar with
And the next time it coming like you
because
don't
I'm
have
supposed to get the
the
glasses. I can't remember get it.
And sometimes coming like you don't have on no glasses. You want to feel the family wear glasses.
Crap.
Yeah, chat like you now go get glasses.
Me just tell James. Some must get it, but
About your glasses?
me not get
No.
Some must get it, but the
Yeah,
money
I
was
don't
there
know,
to
right.
get it. But you're supposed to get it by this year, though. I'm up. The doctor claims they am farsighted.